In this challenge, we'll be using Scratch to create a digital greeting card that you can share with someone. Scratchcat won't be a part of this project, so I'll remove it. Start by choosing your background. Which one is a good fit for the message that you're trying to send? And make a new sprite and choose the paintbrush to make your own design. Rather than drawing a character, I'll be using writing as my sprite. I'm going to write each line of my greeting card in its own costume. Right-click on the costume to duplicate it and make a new one. Edit the text in each costume as needed. Now I have my whole card written and I'm ready to code. Go back to the Code tab and bring in a yellow event block that says when green flag is clicked. You can leave this part out if you like, but I want my text to appear in a different location each time, so I need to tell the text where to display on the screen. Move it to where you want it and then use the blue motion block that says go to X and Y. Now, whenever the green flag is clicked, the first thing that will happen will be that my text will jump to this position. Test it out. From the purple Looks drawer, get the block that says Change Costume to. Set it to be Costume 2, which is the second line of my greeting card. From the orange Control drawer, use a wait block to tell the writing how long it should stay on the screen. I'm going to use a 3-second wait. Now we need to continue this pattern. For the remaining code, it will be changed versions of these 3 blocks. Go to the new position, change the costume, wait 3 seconds, and repeat. Right-click on the blue block and select Duplicate. Attach those 3 blocks to the bottom and make the necessary changes. For me, I'm changing the Y value on the blue block to be a little bit lower, and changing the name of the costume to Costume 3. Repeat this until your whole card gets a chance to display. I need to have 5 repetitions to make mine work. Push the green flag button often. Coders constantly check their work to make sure that it's working properly or to make it better. How could you change my code to use less blocks and do the same thing? I decided I wanted to add to my code a little bit. I'm going to make my writing fade in and fade out using the ghost effect. Keep watching to see how I did it. When your project is ready, push the Share button in the top center on the screen. If you don't see this button, it just means that you need to create and sign into a Scratch account before you can share it. Who will you show appreciation to? Who are the people in your life that would love to hear how much they mean to you? How could you customize this project to make it more personal and more meaningful to you? When your card is ready and you're ready to share, push the Share button in the center of the top of the screen and go through the prompts to get the link so that you can send it to somebody in an email.